Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ram 1500 TRX, powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, providing you with a whopping 702 horsepower, ton of power for towing, hauling, and especially 4x4ing, coming with platform running boards, as well as custom Bilstein shocks unique to the TRX, giving you some great dampening on those rougher roads. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have very spacious seating for three with a nice full leather and suede interior, fold out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, as well as the seats folding up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal a little collapsible storage box underneath. And underneath the mats, you do have these storage bins on either side. In the middle, you have two cup holders, as well as two USBs, two USB-Cs, and a 115-volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable foot pedals. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at only 3,014 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls, and on the left you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your vehicle info, plenty of stuff there. Moving down, you do also have your off-road information, so your wheel articulation, drivetrain, pitch and roll, very important for off-road. Performance, so you've got your top speed there, pretty fast. Other statistics, your fuel economy, trip information, your now playing, and messages such as warnings, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as DIAC. Do also have your radio controls on the backside of the steering wheel, and then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, USB and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there. And then you have your seat controls or your climate controls. You have dual zone climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Bluetooth phone controls, your vehicle settings, so here you can go into your performance pages that has all your stats, stuff like that you might want to know. Your drive modes, and all the stuff that they alter when you change your drive modes. Here you can look at all of that. Pretty neat. So you have Sport, Tow, Snow, Auto, Custom, Mud, Sand, Rock, and Baja. And you can see here physically how it changes the drivetrain and all the stats there. And then you have your race options, because you do have launch control in this vehicle. You even have a physical button to access it from down there. And then you have all of your apps kind of in one spot if you... or actually hit the wrong button there. But you have like Alexa, you have Android Auto, you have Apple CarPlay, all of that. Up above you have your hazards, 12-volt power outlet. You do have a premium Alpine sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. You do have your physical climate controls on either side of the screen as well. And moving down, you have like your cruise control for rougher terrain, traction control shutoff, 6 auxiliary switches here, which can be wired up to whatever you please. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going, of course. And then moving over here, you have all of your modes, so you can cycle through your drive modes from here instead of through your screen, your 4x4 controls with a locking rear axle, and of course your launch control. Moving down from your screen further, here you have a little cubby, 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, and your auxiliary outlets, so you can plug in something to power or charge or hook up your audio. Then you have 2 slots for your phone there. 2 cup holders hidden away conveniently, your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, though you do also have massive paddle shifters on the steering wheel, so you can shift from there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest with your manufacturer plate on top with like your engine, your horsepower numbers, your supercharger, your boost pressure, all of that, pretty cool. And you have the top compartment with a USB inside and some space, and then below that you have a larger compartment with a 115-volt power outlet, as well as having a neat picture of a T-Rex with the TRX, and some change storage there. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, And last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself and have a nice day.